crow searching for a nut unhidden and then making a very cool woo sound. Ooh, we gotta see this. Oh no! XQC already reacted to it? Shit. That's the way I base my stream around. Whether or not XQC has already seen the videos or not. Did he fart to it? Did he at least slam it? Crows are super smart. Especially when you consider how small their brains are. Boom, 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 boom. Hello, add Vicarious Atonement by Mars Volta to the GOAT list. Vicarious, oh yeah, let's play the GOAT list. Vicarious Atonement. What is this? Voodoo people? Fine. Okay, when is he gonna find the peanut? That's a good point, JassCVN. Do a quiz? No, you can't make me. You look very Polish today. This is Joseph Bryskiewicz. Thank you. Watch your Stream Awards interviews? No, I'm gonna cringe. They probably weren't much better. Perfect, perfect. Alright, perfect. Oh! Oh! There it is! Where's the woo sound? Whoa! There it is. That's cute. Whoa! I read about some experiment with rats where they basically looked at whether or not a rat would... Yeah, what's up?
NymN, you have been arrested. Your sentence, Sumer memes on where hey Mego link.
Bro, you always send me like super long stuff. Sometimes it's good, but your links are very hit and miss. Quote Dead Channel, I'm not gonna lie. What is this?